Alright, guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noipi. And today we're gonna talk about something interesting. Nirequest to ng one of the group members sa group natin, Forex for Beginners PH. If hindi pa kayo nakaka-join sa group natin, join na kayo guys. It's Forex for Beginners PHI. Popost ko yung link sa description below. Pero one of our members in here was requesting, I posted a question asking anong gusto nyo matutunan para makapagsimula kayo mag-trade ng Forex. So mga kanoypi, dito sa group na to, our intent is just to help and teach everybody in our community para matutong mag-trade ng Forex, para magkaroon kayo ng extra income. If you're looking for investments, I would suggest that you invest on your own knowledge. Huwag kayong magbibigay ng pera sa iba. At least in my opinion, unless the company that you're giving or investing to is a highly profound company with history and years and years of financial history and profits, it's the only time that I would recommend na mag-invest kayo ng pera na magpapalago ng pera nyo. Pero if it was me na tatanungin nyo, I would recommend na mag-invest kayo sa sarili nyong knowledge. And this group, Forex for Beginners space PHI, is what we have to teach individuals na matuto mag-Forex. Right? So, may nagtanong dito kung ano yung Fibonacci. Shout out sa Regs. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. And then on our succeeding videos, magpo-post ulit ako or just comment down on that group and then gagawa tayo ng mga videos para maturuan kayo. Okay? So for today, we're gonna talk about Fibonacci. Sino ba si Fibonacci at ano ba si Fibonacci? Ang totoo niyan mga Kanoy, nung nagsisimula akong matutong mag-trade, medyo naaliw talaga ako sa concept ng Fibonacci. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. Okay? So, konting history muna. Fibonacci is originating from the 11th century mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, aka Fibonacci. So, siya ang nag-create ng Fibonacci Sequence na nakikita nyo dito. Right? Ang ibig sabihin itong Fibonacci Sequence na to, it's the golden measurement. Dito nag-originate yung phi, but the concept of it is you add the first number to the second, that will equate the third number. If you add the second number to the third number, it will equate the fourth number. So on and so forth. Pansinin nyo, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 2 plus 3 equals 5, and so on and so forth. And it's infinite. And trust me, it's amazing. Ang ibig sabihin ng nature ng numbers na to is it also connotes to measurements ng nature. Pag lumabas kayo, magbilang kayo or makakita kayo ng puno ng nyog. Right? Bilangin niyo yung dahon na yon, I'm sure it is going to be one of the Fibonacci levels. Makakita kayo ng bulaklak, I'm sure it's going to be one of the Fibonacci levels. Kahit nga daw yung measurement ng size ng mukha ng tao, pag pinag-divide mo yung length versus width, it's equivalent to a Fibonacci level. Right? So, hindi siya mahirap sundan kasi it's basically the nature measurements, right? Kaya ako talagang sobrang bilib sa Fibonacci nun because there's no explanation of it. It's just merely nature's way of measuring, putting numbers and codes in it, right? So, let's move on. Sa Forex, meron ding Fibonacci. Ang tawag doon yung Fibonacci Retracements and Fibonacci Extensions. Right? Ngayon, sa Fibonacci Levels, meron tayong retracement and extensions. Sa retracements, ito yung mga levels niya. Of course, yung 0, 23.6, 38.2, 50.0, 61.8, 100. ito yung pinaka popular Fibonacci levels. So, meron pang iba, marami sila. Like what I showed in here, it's an infinite pattern. Pero sa Forex, ito yung mga pinaka-popular levels, right? Saan ginagamit yung Fibonacci retracements? This is used to determine the retracement price level. Ano ba yung retracement, mga Noypi? Yung retracement is, pagpunta tayo sa chart, pag tinignan natin yung long-term trend, for example, punta tayo sa gold, kasi yung gold yung nag-trend talaga upward, right? So, may rally, kitang-kita dito, the trend is going up. Pag pumunta ka sa lower time frame ng gold, makakakita ka dito ng retracements. These retracements are called price corrections, right? Halimbawa, ito, nagkaroon ng rally to the upside, yan. Tapos, nag-retrace yung level ng price, it retraced down, right? And then, eventually, it rallied back up, right? Pataas pa yan ng pataas, right? Pagdating dito sa taas, kung mapansin nyo, i-extend lang natin to hanggang dyan, nagkaroon ulit ng retracement pababa, and then correct, and then went ahead, and then now it's retracing again, right? So that's what I mean here by used to determine retracement price level. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, mga Kanoypi, kung paano siya ginagawa sa actual charts. And retracements, Fibonacci retracements are also used for possible price entries. Okay? Mga Kanoypi, personally, hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng Fibonacci. Para sa akin, it's just, an area of validation. Kung gusto kong i-trade, titingnan ko muna kung nasa Fibonacci level ba siya, kasama ba siya sa Fibonacci level, kung magre-retrace, at kung kasama siya, hindi pa rin necessarily na iti-take ko yung trade. I will still look at the price action, confirmation, bago ako pumasok sa isang trade. Okay? Ngayon, yung Fibonacci Extension, mga Kanoypi, it is the way to determine retracements as well. Pero, the difference is, it is a possible price exit. Sa retracement kasi, ng Fibonacci retracement kasi, it's a possible price entry. Sa Fibonacci extensions naman, is ito yung possible price exit. So, pag pumunta tayo sa trading view, sa price charts natin, dito sa side na to, meron niyang Fib retracement at meron ding Fib extension. Okay? Pag naman nasa MT4 charts kayo, dito sa taas, pwede nyo naman i-customize yan, yung laman niyang toolbars nyo dito. Ito yung retracement at ito naman yung extension, also known as expansion lines. Right? Pero for the purpose of this example, let's go to trading view. Okay? So, paano ginagamit ang Fibonacci when you're trading? Okay? So, humanap tayo ng example dito, mga Kanoypi. Unang-una sa lahat, ang Fibonacci only works when you have a high time frame trending market. Right? Sabihin na natin dito sa, for example, dito, mga Kanoypi. This is the ground or the pound Canadian dollar, right? Kita natin ang long-term trend nito sa 1 hour. Actually, kailangan natin pumunta sa daily time frame. So, sa daily time frame, kita natin dito na, palta natin. Let's go to, ito, pinakamaganda. So, kitang-kita natin dito, mga Kanoypi, that Euro USD has an upward trend, right? Sa daily charts. Okay? Higher time frame, daily charts. So, paano ginagamit yung Fibonacci dito? So, the way to use Fibonacci is you always have to draw the first line, the Fibonacci retracement. You have to connect the lower low. In this case, dito tayo pupunta. This is the lowest point of the current price action. Dadalhin natin yan, idadrag natin yan dun sa highest point, which is ito. Right? Ito yung highest point. So, malalaman nyo na, so ito na yung highest point, right? Hanggang saan magre-retrace ang price before it rallies back up, right? The answer to that is the Fibonacci levels, the famous Fibonacci levels. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is itong tatlo. 0.382, 0.5. This is really not a level pero it's a popular level for Fibonacci here. And then the 618. Yan ang pinaka-favorite na or pinaka-popular or favorite levels na gusto ko. So here, on this example, kung mapapansin nyo, the price here stopped. It retraced up until that level. Diba? From this higher swing or swing high, it retraced down in here. Doon. Sa level ng 38.2. 0.382. Right? It's a Fibonacci level, and if you see it's a trending high, upward trend market, dito naman ako ngayon magpa-price entry. Right? So kung nag-price entry ako, nag-set ako ng buy order sa 0.5, okay lang. So hindi siya tumama dun sa price entry ko, okay lang. If I set the price or a buy entry here sa 0.382, na-click yung trade ko, saan ako dapat nagsiset ng stop loss levels? Ang stop loss levels ko should be right before. So this should be my entry, and my stop loss levels would be determined by the Fibonacci Extension. Okay? So, paano ginagamit yung Fibonacci Extension, mga kanoypi? So, di ba, nag-entry ako dito. So, nag-entry ako sa price na 1.11731. Okay? Ginagamit to, kadalasan, sa parehas na paraan. I-click nyo lang yung lowest point, dadrag nyo dun sa highest point, tsaka pag kinlik nyo siya ulit, may pangatlo kayong idadrag. Idadrag nyo siya sa point kung saan nag-retrace. Okay? So, kung saan siya nag-retrace, 0.382, yung take profit levels nyo should be at the same level. At least, at the very least. So, dito sa level na to, eto sana ang take profit levels ko. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, mga kanoypi, is from the Fibonacci level, kung saan yung swing high niya, ang level nun would be your take profit level. Right? Bakit? Siyempre, gusto natin magpaka-sure na we're gonna hit the take profit kasi tatama tayo nun sa resistance level. Right? In this case, sa rally ng USD, Euro USD, nag-rally pa siya pataas, so okay lang din. At least, ang mahalaga is you were able to take the profit. Okay? So, that's Fibonacci and the Fibonacci extensions. Ginagamit ko lang siya just to verify if there is a retracement that could possibly occur. Pero number one rule, mga kanoypi, is you are going to use the Fibonacci if you see a trending market. Okay? Gagamit lang kayo ng Fibonacci pag nakakita kayo ng trending market. And the idea is, if the market is trending up, mag-iintay kayo na yung market is mag-correct. Right? Mag-correct, tapos saka kayo hahanap ulit ng retracement level so that you can enter the market once again. Ayan. So this illustrates kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-entry, mag-buy order at yung take profit levels nyo and your stop loss levels, right? That's the way I use Fibonacci. Okay? So guys, if you have any suggestions or anything that you would like to learn, just comment down below. And if you think that this video had helped you, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and i-share nyo na rin para mas marami tayo mga Pinoy na kababayan na maturuan natin kung paano mag-trade ng Forex. But for now, this is all I have for you. Don't forget to join our group sa Facebook. It's Forex for Beginners, PHI. And share the love, mga Kanoypi. I will see you all on our next video. Goodbye for now.